Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. Today I wanted to keep it basic for you guys, and I'm going to show you how to simply take off. I know a lot of you guys have requested so many different things, but a lot of you are still beginners or getting back on your skates. So if you want to learn how to just simply take off on your roller skates, keep on watching. Okay, so you guys saw in other tutorials that I tell you that it's super important to bend your knees. It's also super important to warm up. So we are going to treat this tutorial as if you've already done your warm up and you are ready to go. Now, once you've gotten up on your skates, we're here, right? We are ready for takeoff. Now, as you can see, I am on my toe stop. This is something that I always like to do when I am getting ready to take off. So I have a toe stop. That way I'm not rolling around or anything. And as you can see, my knees are bent and ready to go. Once you are standing up, you guys, super simple. You can even start gliding on the wheels. I actually give myself a little push off with the toe stop that I have down. For example, I'll show you. I'm ready to take off. I'm on my toe stop. I'm going to simply press and roll. That is it, you guys. So you're saying, Tiff, I got that part, but how do I transfer my feet? I'm afraid. I've told you before in other tutorials, it's super simple. I'm on my toe stop. My knees are bent. I'm ready to take off. Push off. I'm rolling. Knees are bent. Shift your weight from left to right. Left, right, left, right. I've told you guys that before in other tutorials. Like I said, just literally moving from right to left, or shift your weight right to left, however you want to put it. That is all you are doing. Now, as long as you're keeping your knees bent, you're going to have a nice grounded foundation. Let's do that again. I'm ready to go straight ahead. My knees are bent. I have my toe stop for just added protection. I'm going to press off of my toe stop and I'm rolling. Now I'm ready to pick up a foot. Left, right, left, right. Left, right. Remember to keep your knees bent. If you're up here, you will lose your balance. Stay low, shoulders down the back, chest up. You don't want to lean over too far because then you could also lose your balance this way as well. Because I am right-handed, I tend to do everything on the right side. So my right toe stop will be down. I don't know why I start on the left side a lot of the times, but it's your preference. There's really no right or wrong way to start off. So let's say you've skated before and you are just getting back into it and you don't need the initial rolling part. I'm going to simply show you how to start shifting your weight right off the bat. This option is with your toe stop down. You literally just pick up the other foot and press down. Now I'm going to show you guys the option without having your toe stop down. You just start off, knees bent, not straight, knees bent. Now, without your toe stop being down, you're going to have to just pick your feet up and get to rolling, okay? So, picking up and roll. Keeping the knees bent. And that's it, you guys. Now I've shown you guys in more detail how you can simply just take off on your skates, okay? So now let's recap and put everything together. Let's roll.
You're spinning around in my head. Did you really mean the words you said?